Hi guys. Wait. Wait, what do I say? Welcome to Sniffs in the Laundry Room.
Alright, so today is Provence Lavender. Fun fact about this scent, Allie, is you remember when Dad and I went on that Mediterranean cruise?
No.
Remember how we look at pictures and we're like, we've been there?
Sure.
Yeah, so they gave us this scent as a special fragrance just for that trip. And lots of people have been asking for them to come out with that scent for everybody. And guess what they did? Boom!
Smells like lavender.
Yeah, shocker. If you were a fan of French lavender, it's from a different lavender field, if you will.
Yeah, it's a good lavender. It's not just like that.
Not like a soapy
Yeah.
lavender.
It's not like
it's good.
lavender that just like gets stuck up your nose.
Reminds me of like a spa feeling lavender. What would you rate this?
I would say 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10? I'd say 6 out of 10 just because I'm not huge on florals. But if I were, I'd go with this one. Thanks for joining us today on Sniffs from the Laundry Room.